Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do another Costco food unboxing. I'm going to unbox this Taiwanese spicy noodles. It's a frozen noodles that I found recently from Costco, and it is made in Taiwan. The ingredients looks quite clean, to be honest. Maybe that's the reason that they do the frozen noodles, so they don't need to put a lot of preservatives or other additives inside. And the cooking instruction is also very simple. Just put the unopened sauce pouch into a bowl with boiling water for about 1 minute, and then remove packaging and put the frozen noodles into the boiling water. Stir gently until noodles peel apart for about 1 minute to 1 minute 30 seconds. Then mix the noodle sauce and spices pouch together, and then it is done. So it is super fast, super easy. It looks simpler and faster than the instant noodles that there's no need to cook as well. Let me open this box to see how it looks like inside. Dun, 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 dun. It looks like that inside when I open the box. So the first look. Okay, let me see what's inside. So there are 8 packs of these frozen noodles. It is the fake noodle. Like, it is not the very thin noodle. It is the fake noodle, quite white. This one. And then also the sauce, frozen sauce. I think that's the one it says that put it into the boiling water. To be honest, that's really not my type of like just putting the plastic bag to the boiling water, but this is the unbox and taste testing, so I will follow the instruction exactly. I'm not going to change any of those instructions. I'm going to put this one later to the boiling water. Okay, what else inside? And then that's the spices. I think looks like chili oil or some other, maybe garlic onion oil. That's the one. So okay, yeah, that's it for this these noodles inside the box. The box said this plastic bag can tolerate up to 100 degrees Celsius. So therefore I just turn the heat off, because I do not want it to keep boiling to go over 100 degrees Celsius. I turn the heat off and then just put this sauce in. It's 1 minute now. Let me check. It looks like it has defroosted. So, oh, still cold, I think. Maybe I put it back for another minute, maybe. Okay, now it's another minute. Yeah, I think it's pretty hot now. So it's done. The box said I can reuse this water and put the frozen noodle in, but I do not want to reuse this water because I've put the plastic bag inside. So I'm going to boil another pot of water. Okay, another pot of boiling water. Stir till it peels apart for about 1 minute to 1 minute 30 seconds. So let's just wait for it to peel apart and cook for a while. The noodle is quite thick, as you can see, so I don't mind to cook it for a while. I'll wait for the water to boil first so it can cook properly. Thick noodle, quite thick. Okay, that should be done. I do worry this is spicy, but I don't eat too spicy food, but for taste testing, I think I should put the whole bag in. Smells very good. Looks like that. The color is not that tempting, but it smells quite good just now. Let me try. Very spicy. I'm not sure the spicy is from the sauce or from the meat. I mean, I don't know the spicy is coming from the sauce pouch or from the spices pouch. I should actually taste the meat just now before putting the sauce in. I mean the spice in. Super spicy for me, for my standard. The spicy is not like the curry spicy. It's more like or the Korean type of spicy. It is more like just purely from the chili, the hot chili spicy. Very spicy. And the noodle is very chewy. I like the noodle actually. The noodle is more like dao xiao mian. Don't know what's the English name. I will put the English name here. It's more like the knife peel noodles. So it is thick, it is chewy. The noodle is really good. The sauce, the flavor is not in, it's very plain. It is not like in very different levels of, you can taste the flavors. Maybe it's too spicy. I actually cannot taste any flavors, but just the sweet, a bit sweetness and hot. Just sweet and hot. Yeah. I won't say the flavor is very rich, quite plain. I can just taste sweetness, a little bit sweetness, and very spicy. For the noodle itself, I like it very much. But for the sauce, I'm not sure. Noodle is really good, really chewy. This is the chewiness noodle that I like very much. I forgot the price of this box, but I remember it's not expensive. I think I will buy this noodle again for just the noodles. I don't mind whether I'm going to use the pork mince or not, because that's not major, but the noodle is really good. It's very chewy. It's the type of noodle that I really like and hard to get from the dry noodles. So I think if you just use the noodle to do the scallion oil sauce, will be perfect for that one as well. Or put a little bit topping that you like, will be perfect as well. I really like the noodle texture, therefore I modified the sauce a little bit. I put the frozen sauce to the hot pan, add a little bit dark soy sauce to enhance the color. A little bit water if you are seeing it drying out, then some salt, that's optional if you are already happy with the saltiness. Some pepper and sesame oil. Mix all the seasoning with the sauce and it is done. Look at the color. It is a lot darker than the original pack. I also cut some fresh coriander and spring onion in. Mix them all together. Now you see the color looks a lot better than just now, right? The presentation is way better as well as the taste. This is my favorite version. I like this version way more than the original pack. So okay, that's all for today's taste testing. I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. I will see you next time. Bye!